Hi, I am Suciwayu Ismiasa. I am a student of Physiotherapy Studies, Faculty of Health Science, University Technology Marat.
Hello and good day to everyone. I am Dr. Zarina Zahari from the Center for Physiotherapy Studies, Faculty of Health Sciences, University Technology Mara, Puncak Alam.
Hi, I'm Fidiatul Nazira. I'm a lecturer in the Physiotherapy Program, Faculty of Health Science, Universitas Pembangunan Nasional, Veteran Jakarta.
Hi, I'm Mona Karina. I'm a lecturer Physiotherapy Program at Faculty of Science, University of Pembangunan Nasional, Veteran Jakarta.
Hello, I'm Risa Kusuma Anggraini. I'm a lecturer in Physical Therapy Program, Faculty of Health Science, University of Pembangunan Nasional, Veteran Jakarta.
The development paradigm has shifted from center on economic growth to human-centered development. In the modern era, the online transportation industry has experienced rapid development, with thousands of online drivers active throughout the world, especially the city of Jakarta, Indonesia. In an effort to support the SDGs in the aspect of good health and well-being, forming an online motorcycle taxi community with a program to increase physical activity is one of the right innovations.
Based on surveys and interview with 97 drivers to gain deeper insight into each dimension of wellness and how this factor impact the life of online taxi drivers. The Princeton You Matter Wellness Self-Assessment to measure the dimension of wellness, the environmental, intellectual, social, and spiritual dimension show very good results. However, the emotional, occupational, and physical wellness aspects show potential health and well-being risk.
Activities in community are structured and organized. Initially, routine sport activities will be carried out every week to create awareness of health lifestyle. Furthermore, innovation can be increased in collaboration with partners to provide reminder or notification from the online motorcycle taxi application to carry out physical activity or regular health checks.
The impact of an innovation or invention like a wellness service for online motorcycle taxi can have several potential effects, both positive and negative, on various stakeholders and the broader ecosystem. Here are some possible impacts. Driver health and well-being. The positive impact providing wellness service for online motorcycle taxi driver can lead to improved physical and mental health. Regular health checkup, access to medical service, and stress management programs can reduce the risk of accident and health issues related to their job. And then the safety. Positive impact wellness program for driver can enhance safety by ensuring that drivers are in good health, reducing the likelihood of accidents caused by health-related issues. And then the efficacy and productivity. Positive impact, healthy and well-maintained drivers are likely to be more efficient and productive. They can work longer hours, take fewer sick days, and provide better service to customers. Although working as an online driver can provide flexibility and economic opportunities, this job also brings unique challenges, namely in the amount of competition between fellow online driver and public transportation. This causes drivers to chase target and not care about working time and the seven dimension of wellness.
Innovation can be increased in collaboration with partners to provide reminders and notification from the online motorcycle taxi application to carry out physical activity or regular health check.